Hi there, my name is Uwesh and welcome to this introduction to version control. This is a very beginner friendly, so even though you do not know what is version control, you're going to learn what is version control, how to use it and apply it in your projects. So let's get started. What is version control? Version control is a system used for tracking changes in your computer files. It's mainly used to track like changes in your files, like what is happening, and it doesn't depend on any language or framework. For example, you can use it for Java or Python for dynamic or static web pages. You can use it for any technology or programming language. It is a distributed version control, means that it is decentralized. It does not depend on any network, so you can use it at home, then on another PC at work, so it's fine. You can coordinate with many people and work in the same project. For example, if you made a change and you push it, the same person will be able to pull and continue to work with the same project, with the same update changes. You can keep track of changes and see who made them. For example, you made the change and you don't remember what was that change. Git allows you to do so. And for example, if you made a mistake, you can revert back anytime to any version of your application or project at any point. It provides a local. That means on your laptop, it's a local, and remote, it's the website you're pushing the repository to. For example, for this tutorial, I'll be using GitHub. So GitHub provides you, like we said, tracking your code history. For example, you can keep track of the features you've added, how you added them, and you can keep snapshots, for example, different versions. There's also the possibility to visit. Like I said, you can visit anytime you want, and you can decide when do you want to commit and when do you not want to commit. And there's also the possibility of branches. I'll get to that in the future videos. This is just an introduction and installation video. So installing Git. For Linux, you do sudo apt-get install. For Fedora, you do sudo dnf install git. For all the versions of Fedora, you list dnf by yum. And for Mac, you just go on this link. Windows, you go on this link. And if you need any help, you go through this. I will install on Windows. So let's get started. I will do the installation on my virtual machine as I already have Git installed. So let's just type in Git. Okay, it's the first link. And downloads. You download for Windows. I'm on Windows. It will start automatically. Okay, you save the file. And in the meantime it was downloading, you also go to you go to github.com. Okay, just go to GitHub here and you create an account. If you do not have an account, it's going to be used for the next tutorial. So if you do not have an account, feel free to sign up. You can use your university email to get additional privileges such as educational privileges. GitHub provides GitHub for education for students. So it has finished downloading. You can run it. Okay, the virtual machine is a bit slow. Close this. This is done. You make sure you register because this is going to be used for the next part of the tutorials. Okay, this is taking a while. Okay, button yes. Next. Next. And you just on default. Button next. Next. And I'm going to leave this as default, but if you want to use any other, you may. For example, if you have Visual Studio Code or Notepad++, you may. Okay, press next. I'm going to use this one. It will allow you to use Unix commands, so it's much better. Okay, but if you want, you can also go for this. It doesn't really matter. Okay, just press next. Windows start. I'm going to use the default terminal. Okay, just press next, and it will install Git. Okay. So just waiting for it to be done. Okay, nearly done. It's taking a bit of a while. Yep. The virtual machine is a bit slow. Okay, it's going to launch it. Having git dash dash version. You can see the version. You can check on CMD as well. Git dash dash version. And see, so it works both on the on this terminal and on this terminal as well. So I'll see you on the next tutorial where we'll set up our SSH to be able to start the commands of Git, and we're going to start to create new repositories and new offline remote repositories as well. So stay tuned for the next video. Bye and take care.